Hello, kindergartners. It's Miss Yovaldi, and I'm here to talk to you about our sight words for this week. Remember, sight words are words we can't sound them out. They don't all follow our rules. So we have to keep them in our brains. The first word that we have this week is she. Say she. Let's count how many letters. S, H, E. 3. Show me 3. I'm going to put she into a sentence. I like the way she smiles. Could you put she into a sentence? The next sight word is all. Say all. Let's count how many letters. A, L, L. 3. Show me 3. I'm going to put all into a sentence. I like all of the smiles. All. Could you put all into a sentence? The next sight word is over. Say over. O-V-E-R. 4. Show me 4. I'm going to put over into a sentence. I jump over the hill. Over. Could you put over into a sentence? The next sight word is her. Say her. H-E-R. 3. Show me 3. I'm going to put her into a sentence. I like her toy. Could you put her into a sentence? The next sight word is when. Say when. Let's count how many letters. W, H, E, N, 4. Show me 4. I'm going to put when into a sentence. I like it when you laugh. When. Could you put when into a sentence? The next sight word is some. Say some. Let's count how many. S-O-M-E. 4. Show me 4. I'm going to put some into a sentence. I like some sprinkles on my ice cream. Some. Could you put some into a sentence? Now we are going to look at our sight words in some sentences today. So, the first sentence I'm going to read with you. It says, she works in the garden. Read it with me. She works in the garden. I see an uppercase letter at the beginning. I see a punctuation mark at the end. I see that our sight word is highlighted. The next one says, look at all the colorful flowers. Read it with me. Look at all the colorful flowers. Did you hear my voice go up? It's because of that exclamation point. The punctuation mark at the end is an exclamation point, and we get some emotion in our voice. I see the uppercase at the beginning. I see the exclamation point at the end, and there's our sight word. It is highlighted. Will the puppy tip over the pot? Will the puppy tip over the pot? Who knows what kind of punctuation mark that is? You're right, it's a question mark. I see an uppercase at the beginning. the punctuation at the end, and there's our sight word. It's highlighted. She wore her hat and gloves. Read it with me. She wore her hat and gloves. There's our uppercase letter. There's our punctuation mark. And there is our highlighted sight word. They planted the flowers when it was sunny. Read it with me. They planted the flowers when it was sunny. There's our uppercase letter and our punctuation mark, and there is our highlighted sight word. Please give the plants some water. Please give the plants some water. There's our uppercase. There's our punctuation mark. And there's our highlighted sight word. My goodness, kindergartners, great job working on your sight words. Keep it up. We want to keep those inside of our brains.